Tattle guys, we are back here with another episode of the Gainz 15 Week. Hope everybody's doing well. If you're watching from YouTube or you're watching from IGTV, thank you guys for thank you guys for checking out the video. Click on the page, click on the link. Today's video, let's get straight to it real quick. If you've been following my Insta Snap, you know I just passed my certification as a certified nutrition specialist. And today we're going to talk about the most important muscle you need to focus on working out, focus on controlling, focus on training. Listen, the most important muscle is going to help you get all the fitness gains you want, all the health and wellness goals you want. It's the muscle that goddamn you use putting that fork, putting that spoon to your mouth, putting this muscle right here. Listen, for every fitness goal you want to attain, whether it's get bigger, get stronger, get faster, you want to lose weight, you want to become toned, you want to become whatever, it all starts with nutrition. It all begins and ends with nutrition. Finding a nutritional strategy that works for you and being able to execute that nutritional strategy. Thankfully, I have clients from 17 to 67, and they're all different, things and via nutrition to help them get where they are. So if you're watching this right now, maybe you can zero in and focus on what nutritional strategy works for you. For some people, it's keto. Some people, it's intermittent fasting. Some people, they can track their macros with a app. Some people, they do the zone diet. Some people do active diet. Some people cleanse every once a week, once a month. That should be focus number one. Before you buy some supplements, before you buy the gym clothes, before you buy the gym accessories, before you buy some sweet sweat, before you buy a belly wrap, any of that shit. Find a nutritional strategy that works for you. Find a caloric range that works for you. Find a pre-workout, post-workout nutrition plan that works for you. Find a diet you can adhere to, and you can get that right. That is priority one. It should be priority one. How your nutrition can help fuel you or hinder you from getting the goals you want. So the Gainz 5 tip of the week is control this motherfucking muscle right here. Control that muscle right here. Find a caloric range, find a nutritional strategy that works for you and be able to execute. If you're struggling with your nutrition, struggling with your diet, struggling to find out which one works, my email is right here. Please email me. We can talk about a fine nutritional strategy that works for you. Again, thank you guys for watching us on YouTube. Thank you guys for watching us on IGTV. I will see y'all next week. Gainz.